Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Aisha Siddika Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1 and today's topic is a flag with environment. Okay, everyone open your art copy and ready your pencil and draw with me. Okay, I hope you enjoy this class. Okay dear, look at the board. I have already drawn a box like your copy. Okay, then first I draw the flag because flag is our main subject. Environment also, you should draw two straight lines like this very closely. Okay, then draw this and draw like a thread. This is a thread. Then use a curved line like this and then use again a curved line. Here also like this curved line, again a curved line, and give here a curved line, and here also, and give the thread, and it's make a, then give here a circle and it's make a flying flag. Okay, wherever here mention that with environment, so we must draw the environment. Give here a base like this. Okay, first I will give a far village like some curve and zigzag line. This is curved line and joint. Small, big, small, big, big, small, like this. Then I give here a sun. Two birds like this. Flying bird. And give here a eyes. Give the rays. Okay, then I have draw here a house. This is a tin shed house, not looks like a school, village school. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give the 4 doors. Then give some grass like zigzag line. Look at my hand. First I draw like this, then small, long, and in like this and this. It looks like a grass. Then you can, if you want, you can give here some flower for looking better. This is the flower. Very easy. Tiny circle and Okay, my drawing is complete. This is not so tough, and I have already colored a picture for you. Here I draw and color first the sky. Okay, look at the sky. I color from the corner and very clearly. Okay, when you give the sun ray, first you give here white color, then give the yellow color and color the sun, and then you color the field. After coloring the field, you color this schoolhouse, then the flag. You already know the flag color is there is around deep green, and on the circle this is the deep red color. Okay, and now then last you color this deep blue. I use on the house is ash color and deep blue color, and here I use first cream color, pink color, cream color, pink color. Then on the door I use here brown color. Look at this picture. I have colored four door by this brown color, and here also. Okay, after that I give the grass like this, and here I use deep color, deep green and deep blue also, and I use red color and orange color on this flower, and here I use only purple color. And look at those birds. I didn't use color here. I just draw this very deeply, and though wherever it's flying on the sky, that's why I just touch some sky color. Okay, and dear student, remember this, you never ever use border line by marker pen or any kinds of sign pen or black pen. Okay, if you use marker pen, black sign pen or black color, your drawing will be dirty. So dear student, you never use black pen, marker pen, sign pen and any kinds of black color. Okay dear student, you already know that this is also your SW number 4. You should do your SW and mention the SW number and submit your SW at your school 8 AM to 4 PM. Thank you dear student, that's all.